Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Distinguished, good-looking, admirable guests, dedicated, diligent, loyal staffs of this great kingdom. It is very important tonight to understand why we are doing this. Also, let us take cognizance of the fact that this wouldn't come to pass without the birth of a great king, a phenomenal king, a super incredible king, a king birth for a purpose, a king birth for a significant reason, which is to discover, to help, to nurture, and to birth talents, to bring to pass and to bring into reality the true essence of everybody here, individual, why God created you. Because you wouldn't have been here without His Imperial Majesty. It is very significant tonight to first appreciate the God Almighty who made it possible for His birth to be a landmark tonight. Why? I see so many admirable faces here tonight, and I say, wow, just because of a king, not just the king, but a super incredible, great phenomenal king. Kábíyèsí. Àrólé Oòduà. His Imperial Majesty.
Baba.
Ooni Adéyẹyè Babátúndé Ẹniìtàn Ògúnwùsì. The Ojaja II. And I want to say, and I find it very loving and elated to call him the great Ooni of Ife. Kábíyèsí, we thank God for your life indeed. If I will not speak for myself alone, I wouldn't have been here without you. You have helped me, and you have helped thousands of lives to discover their destiny in life. You have helped so many lives, including myself, to really fulfill the real essence of my birth, which is to serve humanity. Kábíyèsí's life has been a good legacy for so many of us. Because one thing I so admire about him is the fact that he is just too selfless. He's a super generous king. Kábíyèsí, ẹ pẹ́ fún wa nínú àlàáfíà. Ẹ ṣé fún Kábíyèsí. On behalf of everybody here, all the staffs of this great throne, I say Kábíyèsí, ẹ ṣé fún sir. Thank you so much. Lastly, please let us take this home. Why are we doing this? We have diverse departments. Name it. We have well over 20 departments. Now, each department have different designations, different job descriptions, but we have one goal and one aim to achieve, which is to serve God Almighty and to please His Imperial Majesty. Do not see one department more superior or better than another department. No, we have to work in one accord. Each department means a whole lot to His Imperial Majesty. So we need to put our heads together, join our heads together, and work selflessly, diligently, in all loyalty, taking cognizance that we are serving God Almighty, but through His Imperial Majesty. Hold the next person to you, please. Whoever is next to you, please join hands with somebody next to you. Just hold somebody next to you. And please repeat after me. Together, we can all keep the hope of this great kingdom alive. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Ẹ̀yin náà gbé gbogbo ṣe dùn lẹ́nu. DJ Odi jẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀. Gbogbo wa ẹlòmíì. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ sọ Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ yíwọ́. Ẹlòmíì ò mọ tó yẹ ó ṣe nínú ìrìnàjò ayé. O ò fáìn. Ìyàwó ilé rẹ̀ ò fáìn. Ó wá náà pọ̀ ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ dàbí ìjàpá. Ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.